I can't stand the disgusting smell. I am not a disgusting person. This is how this car came.
This Lexus LS 430 has 600,000 miles on it. Ahmed from the Car Care Nut YouTube channel called us up and asked us to detail this car, and my response was, yeah, you're gonna have to bring this in so we can see it. So here it is in all its glory. My first question for Ahmed was, why the hell did you buy this thing?
When we bought it, it had 628,000. It's not terrible, but we've done a lot of mechanical work under the hood. Underneath it, we still have a little bit left, but it is disgusting.
Yes. So the plan is to take a 600,000 mile car and make it look new, and then drive it
Yes,
to 1,000,000 miles.
hopefully.
So we're not going to do this yet. It's going to be dropped off in a couple weeks because you still have some stuff to do with the transmission. But then you're going to bring it here, and we're going to spend a week with this thing. And we call it a restoration detail. We're going to restaurate this car with detailing. I mean, it's not as bad as you would think. I mean, I've seen, 100,000 mile cars look way worse than this. We're gonna disassemble this entire car. So we're taking the seats out, we're taking the dash out, we're taking the carpets out, because you've already done some work and you found some stuff like actually in the frame.
I can show you on the driver's side. It's not good. I feel like it'll never be clean unless we go a little bit extreme.
This is gonna be a huge challenge for us.
Jason, this glass, I really dislike it because it's not original. When we detail this car, can I smash it with a hammer here?
Yes.
The tint also has 600,000 miles.
Yeah, I can see it.
I think this trunk needs to be pushed back in.
Oh yeah. If you guys want to see the full story on this car, go check Ahmed's channel out, the Car Care Nut. The full story of how we got this car and everything else. We're just a little part of the story of just cleaning and restorating. But I'm excited to do it. So.
You guys are best suited for this. It's a lot of work. Detailing is not my thing.
This is gonna be fun. Look at these wheels too. Like, these are original wheels. That one has just a little bit of road rash on it, but they're in really good condition.
Yeah. We just replaced the center caps. I still have the original center cap. They're all faded, but it's great. Calipers are also going at some point. I discovered these are aftermarket. I dislike aftermarket stuff because this car is probably the best Lexus ever made. Until you start putting aftermarket stuff on it, then it just falls apart. That's just the beginning. There is leaves underneath the carpet, and they are everywhere.
That's probably part of the musty smell that you got going on in there.
This is everywhere. Yeah. The carpet. Everywhere I fold the carpet have been this or 10 times worse. Okay. So that's why we want to kind of go the Car Care Nut way and just go all out, do this crazy. And I think there is no person that I can think of more suitable to do this than you in your shop.
This is like the detailer's dream. I want to see how far I can take it.
And I'm super excited for this because I can't stand how this thing smells right now. It's really bothering me.
I'm excited. All right, stay tuned, check it out, make sure you subscribe. We're gonna be doing a bunch of videos probably like this. It's gonna be a lot of work, it's gonna be a challenge. Find out what we can fix, what we can detail. All right, thanks for watching.